Hello and welcome to the channel. Today, an unboxing and test of the Pidzoom RG5 lights for e-bikes, bikes and e-scooters. Thank you so much to Pidzoom for reaching out and collaborating with me on this video. If you do like this sort of content, please do like, please do subscribe to the channel, and I really hope you enjoy this video. Okay, so let's start with the unboxing of the Pidzoom RG5 LED strobe lights. This is the 4-light combo, and first of all there is a USB-A to 4x USB-C charging cable. There are 8 O-rings in total, 4 large and 4 smaller. Here are the 4 strobe lights. There are 4 3M Velcro attachments and 4 frame attachments to go with the O-rings. This is the remote. And on here you've got power, colour and mode. There is a quick start guide which explains how to fix the lights onto flat surfaces using the Velcro attachments, how to fix the lights onto tubes using the O-rings, the details of what the remote control functions are, the colour, power and mode buttons, and also how to turn the lights on independently of the remote using the buttons on the lights themselves. There's also a very detailed instruction manual, and I will provide some further information about some of the key messages as the video continues. To charge the lights, you need to plug each light individually into the supplied cable. Then I'm using a power bank here to charge up the lights. They pulse red while charging, and then when fully charged they're all green. There is a yellow shade in between to show you that they're 20 to 60% charged. So let's move on to the different colour options. The lights will pulse green to let you know the charge level when you switch them on, and then we'll move through this range of colours: blue, indigo, violet, white, red, orange, green, and then back to blue. And it's also important to note that if you hold in the mode button, you can have 2 different colours on each of the lights, which you cycle through again by pressing the mode button multiple times. And then in terms of the strobe options, there is a single quick flash, a cycle of modes 1 to 3, a single slow flash, a steady on, a double slow flash, an SOS flash, an ultra quick flash, a double fast flash, breathing, and a quad fast flash. I'm going to be attaching these lights to the mono-rim SUV S1 e-scooter. This is a 1000-watt dual motor e-scooter, and there are really obvious fixing points both on the front suspension and also on the rear suspension. A quick demo here of the Velcro and 3M. Great if you wanted to mount these lights on the underneath of the battery tray, but I'm going to be using the frame mount and O-rings to attach the lights, 2 to the rear and 2 to the front. So there's the charge port, again facing it downwards and using the frame mount and the O-ring to secure to the front suspension. Exactly the same on the opposite side. And finishing off there with the right hand side of the front suspension. Now the remote switch is attached to the bars using a Velcro strap, and there is a small O-ring to tuck away the excess. So cycling through the different colour modes, this time with the lights in situ. So again, a reminder, they cycle from red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet and white. And then in terms of the flashing modes, a single quick flash, cycling through modes 1 to 3, a single slow flash, a steady on, a slow double flash, an SOS flash, an ultra quick flash, a double fast flash, breathing, and finally a quad fast flash. So as the evening was drawing on, I was able to give a demonstration here of what these fantastic lights look like in the cover of darkness. Massive increase to your visibility when you're riding, particularly on these very powerful e-scooters. And a final reminder here of some of the specifications. This is the Pidzoom RG5 LED strobe lights. The charging ports are USB-C. The operating time per charge, you'll get 120 hours on a red slow flash, a steady green, a solid 13 hours, and a steady red 10 hours, a steady white 8 hours. It takes 2 hours to charge, and you need to be within 7 meters to be able to use the remote control. Again, these have a waterproof rating of IP65. I'll have to say, on this return journey home, I did feel so much more visible and therefore safer. And finally, moving back towards home at the end of this test, and a real sense of the sort of visibility that these lights give you. What a fantastic product. So there you go, that's an unboxing and test of the Pidzoom RG5 lights for bikes, e-bikes and e-scooters. Once again, thank you so much to Pidzoom for reaching out and collaborating with me on this video. If you did like it, please do subscribe to the channel. It really does help me out so much, and you'll find a discount code and a link to buy these lights in the description. Thanks so much, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.